Hello, hello. It's Alicia from Quick and Delish. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to make your own flavored yogurt. And that sounds kind of crazy, but it's gonna be easy, don't worry. So flavored yogurt with natural ingredients, 2 ingredients specifically. So I'm gonna use this European style yogurt from Trader Joe's, but you can use Greek or Icelandic, whatever, to increase the protein content. The reason why I like this is because it's a thinner yogurt. So let's get started. Okay, so I have here a 1 cup jar, 8 ounces, and I thought that this would be easier to eat out of and clean. Okay, so I have like 1/2 to 3/4 cup of yogurt, and check this out. This is the freeze-dried fruit. So I got this from Trader Joe's. The ingredients, are you ready? Wait for it. Freeze-dried raspberries, freeze-dried blueberries. They are dangerously delicious. So I would highly recommend just adding them to something like your oatmeal or your yogurt or something like that versus just eating out of the bag, because they can be kind of dangerous, just like eating out of a bag of grapes or something like that. And so they're pretty fun. They just look like super crunchy whole. These are the raspberries. They just look like freeze-dried raspberries. Okay, so I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. See that? They're super crunchy. Okay, 1/4 cup and 1/4 cup. Raspberries and blueberries. And I was going to show you, and you already know what fresh blueberries look like. And the freeze-dried ones, quite different. These are super crunchy and these have water in them. Okay, so I just mix this up. Sounds super crunchy. You might even be skeptical. Oh, how's this gonna work? I'm reconstituting what was freeze-dried with yogurt. Okay, so then this could be a perfect snack or breakfast or whatever, right? You're good to go. Put this in the refrigerator either the night before or just about 4 hours. 3-4 hours would be fine, depending on how you like it. Overnight, I notice, is best. Like, you have no idea that it's freeze-dried fruit by then. So that's it, right? So if you wanted to turn this into a muesli, you just add oatmeal and soak it overnight. You heat it up or you eat it cold. Done. So I just gave you breakfast and snack and a second breakfast idea. You can add spices, cinnamon. Must I say more? This is coriander, but I'm pretending that it's actually cardamom. Earlier, yeah, I don't see well. Yeah. Anyway, pumpkin pie spice, just a couple ideas of spices. Use the sweet ones mostly. And then you can always add nuts and seeds, right? So pumpkin seeds. Who forgot the pumpkin seeds? Those are pretty fun to add to something like a salad or a snack or what have you, to add crunch. So some ideas to add to your flavored yogurt. So you could do overnight oats. You can check out the recipe video for overnight oats for another idea for breakfast. And then I also have another snack and dessert idea video called Greek yogurt 3 ways. And there's most of those recipes have fresh fruit and some sort of crunchy cereal thing to put on top to increase fiber and crunch. Crunch is super helpful to satisfy all elements of a meal, basically. So you want protein, you want some sort of carbohydrate, which that's the yogurt and the fruit. Yogurt is protein and carbohydrate, and then fruit is carbohydrate. And then if you add some kind of crunch, then that might have some kind of protein or fiber in it. So that is one super simple idea for a snack or a meal. And if you have freeze-dried fruit in your pantry, then you always have fruit on hand. just be careful. You know, all foods, many foods come with a warning that if you have an open bag of something, you might eat the whole bag. So especially if you're hungry. So I hope you enjoyed this video, something super simple that anybody could do, and you can make your own flavored yogurt without any added sugar. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you liked it, please like the video. Please share and subscribe. I would love to hear your ideas, and if you liked using this video or you think it's an interesting concept, to be continued. Until next time, this is Alicia from Cook and Delish. Toodaloo!